Convoy Sierra 1, you are cleared for Dock 3, awaiting scan results.
Copy that. Proceeding to Dock 3. As the paper moves through the production line, advanced machinery inserts ultra-thin security threads directly into the wet paper before it fully dries. Precision watermark rollers create detailed hidden portraits inside the paper fibers. The watermark becomes permanently integrated and can only be seen against bright light. The newly formed currency paper enters a series of massive temperature-controlled drying mills, where carefully regulated large precision polishing rollers compress and smooth the finished currency paper to achieve the exact thickness and texture required for high-security banknote printing.
Workings. High-speed optical scanners inspect every square centimeter of the finished paper under bright inspection lights. Advanced
Automated coating machines apply a thin protective layer that improves resistance against moisture, dirt folding, and daily handling while preserving the appearance and security features of every banknote. Security thread alignment is precise. No discrepancies found. Verified. This batch meets all production standards. Each finished banknote passes through advanced scanning equipment that checks size, printing quality, serial numbers, security.